Hello. Currently, we have 2 out of 3 components needed for WordPress. We have Apache, we have PHP. Now we need MySQL. So, as always, we're going to open yast and we're gonna see what we can do. We're going to go into software management. And here it is. We write MySQL. And we go searching. We want the MySQL community server. And yes, why not? Alt and A to accept MySQL community server. Okay. Now we need to set up MySQL to start together with the system and to run together with the system. So we're going to go back into software management and we're going to get one more tool. We write yast 2 and it was run level. Maybe it was underscore run level. Or maybe it was really run level. It's run level, not run level. And we install it. Alt and A to accept. Now the yast run level module allows us to set services to run together with the system. So we have MySQL installed and we have the run level editing, configuring, working with tool. We go back into yast. We go to system services run level. And we find MySQL enabled. We need to enable it, so Alt and E, and it's not going to work. We tap to enable. Here it is, enable. Enter. Starting service MySQL. It's actually going to start it right now. So when we exit yast, MySQL will already be running. And it's going to be configured to run together with the system. So it's going to start up like a service. And success. We go to OK. We save the changes. Quit yast, and now we want to configure MySQL. So we enter MySQL underscore secure installation. Now this is going to help us set up a root password for the MySQL server, and that's it. So first it asks for the current password for root, but that's the current password for root for MySQL specifically. So there isn't one. We press enter for none. Set root password now. Yes. Enter a password, whatever you want, just remember it. Re-enter it. Remove anonymous user, yes. Disallow root logging remotely. Now our web server and our database are going to be on the same system, so we don't need to be able to log in remotely to MySQL. If you want to use a graphical user interface tool with MySQL and you want to have root access to MySQL server specifically, you should say no so that root remote login will be left to be allowed, but I'm not going to need this, so I'm going to say yes. This way we get some extra security, and this can be fixed later, so you can change settings once you have it working, so it's not a big deal. I'm going to say yes. If you're going to use, what was it? Was it MySQL workbench or something? Yeah, something like that. If you're going to use it, say no. I'm saying yes. Remove test database and access to it. Well, we're not going to make much testing on this virtual system, so yes. And yes, we want to reload the privilege table now so that the settings we just changed are going to take effect immediately. So basically now we have MySQL is going to start like a service. We have pretty much, yeah, we have everything we need to install WordPress on this system. And awesome. If you like this video and you're not too busy, why not rate, share, or subscribe? If you don't like it, constructive criticism is always welcome in the comment section.